Hi, my name is Jackie Kruger, and I represent the Eric Morris acting technique. And in July 2023, we're headed your way, Miami and Wesron, with 3 incredible workshops. Eric Morris is a renowned acting coach. He has written 10 books and created his own technique. Eric's most famous phrase comes from his most famous book: no acting, please. Self-knowledge, emotional intelligence. You got to understand how you work. You got to know yourself. But this is not only for actors, or a doctor, or a manager, or stay-at-home mom. We all have emotions. We all get stuck. We all feel insecure. The more we know each other, the better we function. Instrumental workshop, we unblock ourselves emotionally. Sense memory, we understand how all the information of our lives are stored through our senses. Subpersonality work, all those voices that live inside you. We all have a magical child, a free spirit, a critic, a pleaser, a victim, an Aphrodite, a warrior. We are going to interview them through a technique created by 2 very famous psychologists called voice dialogue. Come and discover yourself. It's fun, it's revealing, it's very therapeutical. See how it transforms your life, personally and professionally.